All I want to know is how the hell are you going to get pulled over by a horse? That's real. It's real life. What the hell happened? How many tickets they give you?
They gave me tickets for blowing smoke and my tires, my wheels, the tent. But yeah, man.
Is this the first time you got pulled over by a horse?
Yes. Honestly, yes, it is.
It might be like a record or something, man. There's very few people who can say that.
Yep. But yeah, there you go. Pulled up. He said, "Sir, license registration." I gave him the license registration. You see my sticker right there, license registration.
Right.
Yep. Hey, man, it was cool. I'm not worried about it. They gave me tickets. Keep on getting it, man.
Were they cool or like they threw the book at you?
They threw the book at me.
Damn.
Yeah. I already got caught down here 6 times.
Damn.
Yeah.
And you're still hooning, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, man.
That's right. Doing burnouts. I don't give a fuck. Hey, follow my Instagram.
Yeah, gotta pay them tickets, man.
Yes, sir.
Later, buddy. We were just riding, we stopped by Advance and ran into internet famous Winnebago back here. It's actually LS Swapped, turbocharged. It might be the most unique, well, I say that about a lot of LS swaps, but it might be the most unique LS swap ever. So we just caught up with the guys. They're going to tell you a little bit about it and why someone would turbo LS swap, or why not? Why somebody wouldn't turbo an LS swap Winnebago. I think that made sense. It made sense in my head. What do you think?
Pretty cool. I approve.
That's German approval.
Put it on the Autobahn. How fast does this thing go?
We've had it like 80 or 90. It's a 1976 Winnebago Chieftain.
Right.
It's owned by my friend Corey. We built it together last summer and fall. We put a 2005 6-liter LS in it,
right.
and it's a GT45 turbocharger. His brother has a similar setup in a Silverado work truck that he tows with,
right.
and it made 500 crankish, 550 crankish we're estimating.
Cool.
I think that truck put down 440 wheel or something.
Right,
But
right.
Corey and his dad wanted to take this cross country,
Right.
and they wanted to be reliable, have air conditioning, get decent fuel economy for what it is, and the 440 that was in it was a pig.
Right,
It only got 4 miles per gallon, and you couldn't do over 55. Unfortunately, you can't really see the motor,
Right, okay.
but the turbo's there.
So where do you have the motors back there?
No, the motor's in here. You just can't really see it.
Gotcha. Yeah,
You can kind of...
Oh, okay. Right.
It is in
tucked
there.
away in there.
Yeah, it's actually a lot smaller than the 440. It has the factory, the LS AC compressor.
Right.
And I morphed it into the factory Winnebago AC system.
Did you make a lot of other factory stuff work, I assume?
Yeah,
with this?
actually, it's funny. It's a stock drive shaft.
Right.
We actually put the motor in place based on the drive shaft length.
Okay,
So
yeah.
wherever it fell, that's where it ended up being.
Right.
It's a stock radiator for the 440. This never goes over 195. The intercooler's down there. That's kind of goofy because we ran out of room.
Right.
So the intercooler lays flat and we built a scoop on it. Still having fuel issues. Well, I think we're having fuel issues.
Right.
We're waiting on another fuel filter right now.
Yeah.
Hoping it fixes it.
Didn't like that one too.
That was half it. Spins too much.
Yeah, black top.
Cameras with the light.
Right.
Let's make it drop.